Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here. I'm going to take a look at the President McKinley USA version here. Difference between that and the European model. European model has FM. This one has AM, upper sideband and lower sideband. Of course, President has their patented auto Squelch Control. Nice warranty straight from President. This is considered just a CB radio. Every President product I've had roll through here, they're very good quality. 100% ROHS2 certified. So we're going to break this open and look at it. And I know these have been out a while. I've done a couple videos, but nothing major. So we're going to open this up and take a look at it. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back. And as with all President models, you get a big nice sticker. Instruction manual here. We're not going to open this. It's going out to a customer, to Janine out in Texas. Here's your bracket. Power cord and stuff's in here in a separate location. I did open this a minute ago just to make it easier for me to get out. It's usually wrapped even tighter and neater than this. And there it is. I really like the big display. Yet it's a compact rig. Let's just get this thing fired up and we'll be back. Alright, we're back. Here it is. And for demonstration purposes, I didn't bother to get the stock mic out. We're running our Superstar mic and an adapter here, which we sell on our website, truckcbsales.com. It'll be the one that says it's for President, Antitones, and others. Let's turn it on here. Like I said, I like the big display. You got a fine and coarse clarifier here. Change the channels here. This beep can be shut off. You got a 919 emergency here, noise blanker, A&L, and high cut filter, weather bands. There's your mode button. Your mic and RF gain here is located in the sub menus. Let's just go ahead and oh, I like the front speaker. I really like that front speaker. It's gonna make it really easy for someone to hear if they don't have an external. This does have the 3-pin power cord like all your standard Galaxies and Cobras, which makes it nice. So let's look at it here. 5-watt slug, right out of the box, about 3.5 watts. Hello, 1, 2. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. Twitch is forward there about 1/10 of a watt on average. 25-watt slug and PEP. Hello, hello, hello. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll talk about 17 watts of PEP power, but it's just lacking the average power right out of the box. So let's go over here to sideband. 25-watt slug. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to AM. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2. And just to show you how clean it is. I know I normally don't show all this stuff here. A lot of people don't understand what it is, but when you have one spike right there in the middle, that's your fundamental. And you don't have any of them other ugly spikes. So basically, in a nutshell, in layman's terms, it doesn't splatter. It's clean. Alright, so I'm going to crack this open and do our tune alignment, electrolytic cap upgrade, and we'll be back. Before I do, take these loose. I want to just show you here. On the board. Top side of the board. There's your AM regulator back there. Electrolytic caps. Of course, they have to stay low profile. Looks like they are got a 1000 right here, which we're going to upgrade to a 2200. which will more than double capacity, and another 1,000 here for the audio buffer cap. We're going to upgrade that one as well. And a little FET back here in the back. Pretty compact, fellas. Let me just show you a comparison here. Got a ballpoint pen. So it should give you an idea how compact it is. Okay. All right, we'll get this little guy fixed up and see if we can improve the performance of it some. Great radios. Zero issues ever out of these. So we'll be back. Okay, we're back now. Went through your radio, tune alignment, electrolytic capacitor upgrade. Show you what we got here. We're in the AM mode. 5-watt slug, 4.5 watts. Now you can crank that down all the way to 1 watt. Roll it back up there up to 5. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, 1, 2, audio, 1, 2, audio. So we do have a little bit of forward average now, so it's going to increase your modulation. 25-watt slug, PEP. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, audio. And 1, 2, 3, 4, audio. So a huge increase right there in power. Let's go on over to sideband. 1, 2, 1, 2, audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, audio. All right. So seen some good increases there. So you ready to go, bud? We're going to get this out there to you. Hope you enjoy it from your friend Truck at www.truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.